బడ్జెట్లో రాష్ట్ర కేటాయింపులపై టీఆర్ఎస్ ఎంపీల స్పందన ఇప్పటివరకు చూశాం. ఢిల్లీ నుంచి ఇక రక్షణ రంగంలో ఎఫ్డీఐలకు ఎక్కువ ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఇవ్వడం దేశ భద్రతకే ప్రమాదమన్నారు కాంగ్రెస్ నేతలు. ఆదాయం ఎలా వస్తుందో క్లారిటీ లేకుండా బడ్జెట్ ప్రవేశపెట్టారని ఆరోపించారు. కేటాయింపులు సంతృప్తికరంగా లేవన్నారు. పెరిగిన ధరలు తగ్గేలా భరోసా ఇవ్వలేకపోయారని విమర్శించారు. సామాన్యుడి కష్టాలు పెంచేలా ఉన్న బడ్జెట్తో ఎవరికీ లాభం లేదన్నారు.
Budget presentation, of course, we have to go through the full documents. But what was missing in the presentation was any clear vision. There seems to be no sense of policy direction. There was a laundry list of rather small sops, 100 crores here, 50 crores there. There was no sense of overall direction. We don't know what measures are being thought of to tackle inflation. There are no clear measures to improve revenue collection or indeed to improve tax efficiency. So clearly, it's going to be very difficult to match the fiscal deficit challenge that he says he's going to match. And on top of that, how is he going to maintain the development projects? So we're very worried about the impact of this budget on the Aam Aadmi of this country. But I will have to study the figures in more detail. Certainly, listening to the speech, we have all been very disappointed.
But you know, it is some sort of 100 crore, everything 100 crore, everything 50 crores. Absolutely populist. In fact, you know, the people expected reforms, not the populist measures. Is necessary in so far as the common man's programs are concerned. And recovery is on the recovery path. You know, there is no mention, you know, how they are going to take this recovery path and also the stabilizing the economy forward. There is no mention there.
In the present moment, the whole country is concerned about the price rise. During the election time also, that was the major point concerned the whole country. Everybody thought there will be some concrete, specific proposals in the budget to control the prices. I don't find any concrete proposal to control the prices. That is one thing. Second, before the budget, earlier their idea was to enhance the FDI to 100% on defense. When they find there is all-round opposition in the country, they have gone back. Now it is 49%. But my feeling is this 49% itself is a dangerous beginning. Gradually, all the Indian private sector defense companies will be controlled by the foreign multinationals. That will affect our national security. This is my concern.